Alright, what you're seeing here is a puzzle. How did I get this to put together? It was maybe a little difficult. Right now, I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to show you. Because this is the shipper's dilemma. The Y puzzle. You can see it right here. Because it costs 25 pieces, 25 times 25 times 25. And we all know this. As for the numbers over here, which is kind of difficult knowing what goes on, what goes off. But you're just looking over here, and for these are probably just how many kind of shape. I don't know. For this thing right here, it goes right out. Okay, now, this thing just goes right there. Either you goes in front of you or on the floor. Make sure you keep it just in case you need to know what it is. Now, what you're seeing here is the cube, which is square, only on the top point of view. But on sides and on the corners, it's cube. So, how did it get together like this? I'm gonna only do one snap to make it apart. Okay, I might have done like one or two, but who cares? Okay, as you can see, these pieces are apart, not together, because they all go in the cube. But that's when you know if you could actually put it in the cube while doing the puzzle. So, we're only going to use the lid, because you know the inside. We're doing it. Okay, if you're going to do a lid, you're going to have to listen. Forget the background of me, just the puzzle. I'll lift it up so you can see it. Gotta back it up a little. Okay, now, on how to start. Just listen to me. Listen. For you viewers watching this. Okay, now. We're going to start with two puzzles. For beginning. Any kind of wooden puzzle, like either this one, or this, or this, or this, or maybe these two I'm showing. Random puzzle. So I'm going to use these two. Use these. Remember, I only have 15 minutes, so we're going to have to start. Alright, these two. Make sure the bottom ones are pointing to you. If you have these. And if you couldn't find one, this is the one you're going to want to watch. Make sure these two are facing you. Not like this. Like this. Like a mirror. And this piece goes onto the bottom. And this is what it should look like. Now you're going to want to have 4 pieces. Currently I'm choosing these 4. Doesn't matter which way it goes. You just gotta look. We're gonna have this side point of view. Now, one would go onto the bottom. One would go here. And the other would go right here. Well, this one always goes on the top. Which always goes right here. See the point of view? This one's in front. The others are not. Because something you need to put under here. It's this piece. Now, put this piece right here. Now this piece, you don't much go right here. You put it right here. But you got room. Now the fact that you need much room over here. So, what you would need over here, 2 pieces on opposite sides. Not like a mirror. Just the opposite way. Now, you put it right here. One goes up and the other goes down. Even if I'm showing you or you're showing it, it slips. You gotta make sure you're holding on to it. Especially in this. Now, sorry, it just happens. Now, all you need, these two pieces. But, yeah, you need these two pieces to go together. Make sure they go together. And they go right here. You gotta make sure it doesn't slip. Just hold on to it if you're showing. You go right here. Right where these twos are. One, you put it in here like this. You just put it in here like this. And there you go. Now, you're almost halfway. And look, these pieces are just almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pieces to go. 12 pieces on here, 12 more to be put together. Now with the fact that these two are open. Now you need one open, one on the bottom. So if you have these two, you put the tall one over here. And you put the little one over here. To know it could fit. You try to put them together. Or you put them in a square that I showed you. Which is this. Which we're almost done. This goes here, and I'm still going to show you. Sorry, it just keeps falling. Okay, now. But it doesn't just go like over here. It goes right here. Then, you're going to want to put this right where this open space is. This end goes over here. So, this leads to this open spot right here. You would need this. But how? You just leave it up like this and make sure this side is pointing to you when you're putting it on. It goes right here. Now for this side point of view, you'll see that this is open. How will you ever put the top on? With these 8 pieces. We're almost there. So, you're going to want to put... I'll have to hang on to this. Now, you're going to want to put this piece right here. Where it's facing me. Not this side. It's facing there. This is facing me. So, put it there. Also put these here. But no, you wouldn't want to put there. No. You would want to put a piece, but it's facing to you, which is facing to me. Put right here. If you could see it. Alright, now for the top piece, here's the easy part. To know if you got it right. You would need 2 pieces. One that goes up, one goes down, just like I said. That can make the letter H, but in a different way. And one can go right over here. So, it can go right here. But, we're going to try to put it on here. So, the piece will go right here. Which I showed you. It goes right there. Just gotta hang on to it. I know I'm trying to remember how to put it together. And anyway, we might have to take it apart and put it back on. Put it right here, right there. And go right here. But I don't think that's how we would put it like that. Because we would need pieces that goes right there. We need pieces to put right there. So, as this shape, That'll go right there or there. No. This goes right to you, and then this one at this point goes right there. Just to make it clear. Again, forget about the background. Just this is what you need to do. If you have the wide one. The wide one. Now, you have this piece, which the end, which at the top goes pointing, the long goes to you. Now you would see the difference when you get close to it. Now, you still have these two open, but you need these 5 pieces to get to the top. We're almost there. We're almost done. Now, these 2 pieces go. Make sure if you would point to this, make sure they're in the front. Put it down, and you put it right here. Just make sure they would be facing. Now, we're almost finished. Just 3 pieces to go. Now, you need this piece and this piece. And you put one on the bottom, one on the top. You have one more piece, which I'll have to hold on to it again. Which you need to fit, and that's what you need. Once you get this last piece on, and there you go, you're finished. You got yourself the puzzle piece again. Just cute. If you would want to take it apart and put it back together, if you know how to do it, let's see how fast you can put it together. That's all I'm going to show you how to do it, because we did step by step, but in a different point of view, showing the sides and not much of how it would look. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments of what other wooden puzzles you would want me to do. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.